Come learn with us this way of eating vegetables. We'll start by grating a whole zucchini. Transfer to a bowl and add just a pinch of salt. Mix, letting the salt combine. This will help dehydrate the zucchini. Set aside for 10 minutes. Let's grab the grater again, and now, we'll grate a carrot. Transfer to a bowl and leave it there. Now chop an onion. Keeping the skin side up prevents eye irritation, so here's a tip. Add it to the carrot and add a pinch of salt. Cover with hot water. Give it a quick stir, and set aside for 5 minutes. Then, drain the water. Now let's return to the bowl. Our zucchini looks like this. It released a lot of water, but now, let's try to extract as much as possible. Add it to the other ingredients. Add a teaspoon of baking powder, and season to taste with black pepper, paprika, fried garlic, salt, and add 2 eggs. Add 100 grams of wheat flour. Now let's mix, and combine everything. Well mixed, now let's add chopped chives to taste, and 50 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. Everything ready, now let's prepare a skillet with olive oil. Let's take portions with a spoon and mold them in the pan to the size you prefer. Wait for them to brown, on low heat for 3 minutes. When browned on one side, flip, and let brown on the other. When they are like this, well browned and crispy, let's serve and savor. The dough is soft on the inside, and crispy on the outside. Tell us in the comments what you think, we would love to know. If you enjoyed these fried vegetable patties, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Stay with the final scenes of this preparation, and see you next time.